Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to send self-destructing emails in Gmail for added privacy. Let's dive into the world of secure communication. Now, first step is to open Gmail and then compose a message. Now craft your message. Um, let's add recipients. So after crafting your message, look in the bottom toolbar of your Compose window. You'll see a lock icon with a clock. Click on it. This is Gmail's confidential mode. In confidential mode, you can set an expiration date for your email. Choose how long you want the email to be accessible to the recipient. You can also add an SMS passcode for an extra layer of security. If you choose to, you can require the recipient to enter a passcode received via SMS before they can view your email. This is perfect for those truly sensitive messages. Once you've set your preferences, hit the save button, and then your email is now ready to be sent with added privacy. So let's say it expires in 1 day. And then let's click save. It's like sending a digital message that disappears after a certain time. And that's it. You now know how to send self-destructing emails in Gmail for added privacy. Keep your confidential information safe with this feature. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to send self-destructing emails in Gmail. See you on my next video.